Hey everyone, as a quick introduction, if we haven't had the opportunity to meet, my name is Andrae Kirkland and I support our Gen Alliance members who fit into the small business category. And so think 20 employees or less, okay? One of the ways we do that is through the Emerging Business Program, where we are taking a step by step approach to understand the ins and outs of your business, to take an end to end view, a comprehensive view on what are your processes, what are your challenges, what are the opportunities, that exist to help you grow and scale your business, right? So this is a NIST funded initiative where we offer that first phase of comprehensive review and assessment. And then following that, we take a one-on-one consulting view to help you overcome some of the challenges that we address in phase one, right? So this is a program that's open to our Alliance members. You do have to be a member of the Gen Edge Alliance to participate in the program. So please go ahead and sign up for the Gen Edge Alliance and then submit your application to the Emerging Business Program, because what that allows us to do is to have a discussion, understand how we can best support you through the program, and then ultimately grow and scale your business by identifying and resolving some of those key challenges. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Like I said, I'm here to support our small business partners, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care.